My name's Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. And today what I'm going to show you is how to clean your silicone utensils. The great thing about silicone is that things really don't stick to it, so they're very easy to clean. You just want to use a gentle dish soap and some hot water. So we've got nice hot soapy water here. And you can use one of the non-stick sponges. That works really well because it's not going to scratch the silicone. Just wash it off. And if you have a spot, occasionally you can get something that's baked on, the grease will get stained on there. I'm going to show you a tip. It's rubbing alcohol. You can just pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the utensil. Just rub it in. And it's actually going to take the stains and the built-up grease off of it. Then you can make sure you wash it again and rinse it really well because you don't want any of the soap or the alcohol being on the utensil when you go to use it again. So there you go. That's how you clean your silicone utensils. My name's Leslie Reichert and I'm a cleaning coach. You can see me at greencleaningcoach.com. Happy cleaning!